Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at least once: the issue with logging into our devices. Whether it's forgetting a password, getting locked out, or experiencing technical glitches, dealing with login problems can be frustrating and time-consuming. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key here is to remember to use a password manager. By utilizing a password manager, you can securely store and manage all your login credentials in one place. This will not only make it easier to access your accounts, but also enhance the security of your passwords. So, next time you find yourself struggling to remember your login details, turn to a reliable password manager for assistance. In addition to using a password manager, it's also crucial to set up multi-factor authentication whenever possible. This extra layer of security adds an additional step to the login process, making it more difficult for unauthorized users to access your accounts. By implementing multi-factor authentication, you can significantly reduce the risk of your accounts being compromised. So, don't overlook this simple yet effective solution when safeguarding your online accounts. In summary, dealing with login problems can be a hassle, but with the right tools and practices, you can overcome these challenges easily. Remember to use a password manager to store your credentials securely and enable multi-factor authentication for added protection. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite password-related joke.